Do you ever find yourself fantasizing about escaping the grind of daily life? This video has a list of 20 internet business ideas for digital nomads. Perhaps you're sitting in traffic, crammed onto a crowded train, or gazing at a computer screen in a cubicle and thinking if there's more to life than this. Number 1. Nomads Data Analysis Services provide businesses with data insights and analytics. Number 2. You can manage projects remotely for businesses using Asana or Trello. Number 3. Software as a Service develops and sells software products that are subscription-based. The fifth is SweDesign, which creates user interfaces and experiences for websites and applications. The sixth business of drop shipping. Number 7 is for remote customer assistance. Number 8 is for virtual reality tour development. And number 9 is for coaching and meditation. Online senior companion services. Number 10. Number 11 is the construction of membership sites. Number 12 is online meal planning services. Number 13 is digital advertising. Number 14 is remote product testing and reviews. Number 15 is digital real estate marketing. Number 16 is elderly companion services. Voice acting in the animation of game. Number 17 individual. Number 18 is online tutoring for finance. Number 19 is a web development company. And number 20 is a graphic design firm. Recall the path to being a prosperous digital and nomad's journey begins with one step, not with a giant leap. Choosing a company idea that suits your interests, abilities, and lifestyle is the first step towards developing a long-term, location-independent employment.